Keep going. Let's see how Mommy and the other babies are doing. There goes Mommy up there. Yellow and green. Daddy's down here, the white with the blue. Check these out. The one to the left is about 2 weeks old now. The one to the right is a week and 6 days. Babies. They've been mating lately also. So we'll see what happens with these two.